What's up, guys? Got a 2012 Honda Odyssey, replacing an axle. Just want to show you guys. First of all, you got to take off a 36 millimeter bolt. That's from the axle here. You got to remove this little guy from right there, and you got to take off this little guy from right over here. Okay, so you have flexibility just like that. Okay, took off the caliper from right here. 14 millimeter bolt, 12 millimeter bolt, and then two 22 millimeter bolts, and I tapped the axle out. So there you have it. There's the freaking axle. He's just sitting there, ready to come out. This is a 2012 Honda Odyssey. All I need to do is fork it from down there with pry bar. I'll show you guys how I'm planning on doing that. If I could find my freaking pry bar from all this stuff here. So you might have some fluid come out, but all you need to do is, if you can get in here, you need to just get in back of the axle and just be careful you don't crack the transmission. Take it easy, and it should come out pretty easy and slowly. And to put it back in, align everything, and just tap it with the rubber mallet back in, and that's it. Or put your axle bolt back on. New axle probably got a new bolt, and smack it right back in, and it should go back in. And then a reverse procedure, everything. So there's ABS sensor, which is most likely probably won't come out. And sometimes this part of the axle is seized in. It will never come out. Make sure you anti-seize it so it comes out freely the next time. But anyways, it took me 20 minutes to do all this, okay? It took me longer to go gather the tools than the actual the axle itself. But there you have it. It was a pretty easy job, and it only took me about 20 minutes to get everything off. And I'm gonna just finish it out, and we're done after that. Once it's completed, I will show you. So a lot of garbage here. This is a track motive. That's the part number for the axle. There you go, track motive. And this is your old axle. This is the old axle. Okay, so you want to compare it, put it together, see which one it look like. So we're working with the car underneath this because they're doing some construction outside. Anyways, job is well done. So I didn't have to use a hammer. What I did was I put the axle in there, and then I just used the force of the axle. Bam, 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 bam. It clicked in after a few smacks. So make sure you torque this bolt, and you notch that little guy right there. I'll put new brake pads on this baby. Make sure you lock up your bolt, tighten it up. Tighten this bolt up. This is where this goes in. It smacks right in. And if you stretch this, if you get ABS lights and everything, it means you stretch this cable. You damage this cable. So that's the reason why we took everything apart. So that's all you had to take apart. The strut bolts. And after this, if you want to get alignment, but it really doesn't affect much. And it's all up to you. Anyways, that's that. Everything is done there. So make sure you lock up that bolt. Okay, meaning you're gonna have to bend that little notch, smack it right in so the bolt can't come free and loose. Anyways, thank you for watching my video.